Hello everyone! Today we're going to do pancake experiment. We're gonna find out which one of these flours is the best for healthy pancake. So if you wanna know, stay tuned. And if you're new on this channel, click the subscribe button down below so you're never gonna miss any of my new video. And now, let's do it! I'm Chef Mike, and today I'm gonna be testing which one of these healthy flours is the best for the pancakes. I got corn flour, I got buckwheat flour, coconut flour and lentil flour. Now we're gonna cook one pancake each and we're gonna see which one is the best.
I'm gonna start with lentil pancake. For all pancakes, I'm gonna use the same ratio: 100 ml of milk, 1 egg, 100 grams of flour. And then I just mix everything in one container with a hand blender. If you wanna learn more about healthy flours, I got full article on my blog, so I'm gonna leave link in description down below so you can check it out. And I'm using stevia, so the pancake goes less calories. So I put 1 teaspoon and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And don't forget, put a pinch of salt. The salt is very important, guys. Always if you do something sweet, put pinch of salt inside. And that's it. Next, I do corn pancake. I just gonna do exactly the same. But remember guys, every flour is a bit different. Every egg has different size. So always check consistency and maybe put a little bit of milk or flour so you end up with the right mix. But this is just basic pancake recipe, so I can really try difference of flours. But you can put more things inside, like vanilla or any herbs or spices, so your pancakes are always exciting. Now, I'm gonna fry them on a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm using butter or something else so I can really feel the pancake. If you don't wanna use any fat, and you have good non-stick pan, you can skip the oil. Medium hot pan until you're gonna see nice bubbles on the top. Then you're gonna just flip it. This corn pancake got nice yellow color and smell amazing, guys. And when I saw this, I already knew it's gonna be great.
So we got our pancakes ready. We got buckwheat option, corn option and lentil pancakes. The pancake from the coconut was completely disaster. Let's watch it.
With coconut flour, I did everything the same. I put 100 ml of milk and 100 grams of flour and 1 egg. But the mix was different. It was much more harder as before. So I did put more milk and then even more milk. But when I finally get the right consistency, it just didn't work, guys. I'm not sure what was wrong, but I don't really recommend to use coconut flour for pancakes.
So the healthiest option of all of these is the lentil pancakes. It has biggest amount of protein and fiber inside, but the taste is not really nice for sweet using, guys. So I recommend to use for something savory. The corn pancake has the best taste for us, but it's worst in nutrition values. It has 4 times less protein as lentil pancake. The buckwheat pancake is very similar to normal pancake from the plain flour. It has just a little bit more protein and fiber inside. And because we did really like the corn pancakes, I'm gonna do some more and I'm gonna show you how you can enjoy with something sweet.
I got one apple here, so I'm just gonna slice him and caramelize a bit on the pan. I'm just gonna put butter on medium hot pan and then my apples. When the apples get nice color, I put a little bit of apple juice and I reduce down. Just be careful to don't burn it. Then I put 1 teaspoon of honey and pinch of cinnamon. And that's it.
So we got everything ready. I have apples, my corn pancakes, some walnuts and sour cream. And now I'm just gonna put everything on the top.
Amazing caramelized apples with cinnamon. Fresh walnuts. And sour cream. And these are my healthy corn pancake, caramelized apples, walnuts and sour cream. Enjoy.
I hope you enjoyed today's experiment, guys. Try some healthy flours at home and let me know in the comment if you like it or not. If you're new on this channel, click the subscribe button, so like this you're never gonna miss any of my new videos. And if you wanna learn more about healthy flours, I got full article on my blog. I'm gonna leave link in description down below so you can check it out. Have a nice day and I see you soon.